Hi there, this is Mark Ittleman, the speech pathologist who can make a rock talk. And welcome to this fine edition of A Conversation with Mark around our company, which is Make Rocks Talk and Be in Conversation. The subject of this informative video today is just what exactly is the philosophy of Be in Conversation and Make Rocks Talk? Well, Be in Conversation is the name of our book, and it's a method that we use to help people speak again, either children who have not developed speech or people who have lost the ability to talk. It pretty much follows a basic sequence of speech and language development. We all know that children at home, when they come home from the hospital, until they're about 3 to 5 years old, are constantly learning language, and by the age of 3 or 4, most children are speaking normally. They have to go through a certain sequence. Well, what happens with people who don't go through a normal sequence, children especially, and for adults who have stroke or brain injury? What we do with our Be in Conversation method is we basically take them back and go through the total sequence of speech and language development again, and we do that at home, and in some cases it may take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 years, just like how the speech developed initially. But with people who've had brain damage or a stroke, it takes a while. All right, so that's what our Be in Conversation strategy is about. It's about stimulation of speech at home, which is where we think the majority of stimulation should take place. And so, if the children or the person with the stroke is home, and the fact that it may take maybe 3 to 5 years to really develop the ability to speak once again, you also want to know that most insurance today is not picking up the bill for that. A lot of the insurance is only giving people a certain number of visits. And with older Americans, Medicare has been going broke, and they're cutting back on the number of visits for therapy. So, that is why in our book, Be in Conversation, the teaching of talking, we instruct caregivers, because caregivers, you're the only ones who are going to be left who are going to be able to do this. And so therefore, you want to pick up a copy of our book, Be in Conversation, the teaching of talking. So, that's a little bit what our philosophy is about. Please come by to our website at Make Rocks Talk and Be in Conversation. Thank you very much and have a great day.